Naka-blackmail ako na isang tower, dalawang tao. Na-blackmail ko ng 300,000 to 500,000.
Hi guys.
Marami talaga ang na-blackmail.
Hello guys.
Once na nag-online kami, nire-reserve lang muna namin yung iba para may income pa rin kami. Kumbaga, once na ma-blackmail pa namin, magkakaroon pa kami ng pera. Once na nawalan ako ng pera. 50-50. For example, sabihin natin 50,000, yung 25,000 pa din. Wala ko talaga akong idea na gano'n yung magiging trabaho ko kasi nga invite lang nila ako ng friend na sabi mo yun, hindi man nakikita ito yung online lang.
Hi Karam. How are you? Welcome to my live again. I'm having my coffee, guys. It's 4:25 p.m. What you guys doing? Hello, Michael. How are you, Michael? Michael Kelsey. Welcome to my dance. Just chilling, guys. Nothing to do. Drinking my coffee. Yeah, I'm having my coffee. It's 4:25 p.m. Do you like coffee, Michael? Or what usually you drink? Ah, I said, do you like coffee? It's very hot. Hi Ken, hi Dai, Musta, how are you? It's nice. My volume was low. I see. Oh, really? You love coffee? Yeah, I love coffee too. I usually drink 3 times a day coffee. I drink morning and then afternoon and then sometime nighttime or sometime midnight. I usually drink coffee. I love coffee as well. I drink like 3 in 1. Yes, like coffee is life.
When the PNP decided was created.
I enjoy it, but I can't. I'm smoke delta. What do you mean you can't? You mean you can't drink so much coffee or what?
When the PNP decided was created. And there was a lot
Oh, I see. If you drink coffee and then delta is it's smoke. It is smoke. Oh, I see. So it means if you do that together, it will make your mouth dry. Oh, I see. So it's either coffee or smoking. You need to choose. I see. Yeah, coffee is life. Like also rice is life here in the Philippines. People cannot live without rice. Super put on mouth, so I have coffee sometimes. Oh, I see. So you smoke a lot. My mother smoke a lot, and my father also. When I feel like living, guwapa man kaday ko ato ani. Kabaluloy ka you know how to speak Bisaya, day ano, Kin. I talk just a little bit. You know how to speak Bisaya. Hoping the beef right now. I love to fight. Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, beef. I know beef. Beef is like the one that is has the flavor. Oh, so you like farty. I like farty too. Good enough while you back. That's good, so that nobody can talk to you behind your back. It's hot coffee, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. Smoking. What do you mean smoking? My mother is addicted to smoke also. She can finish like 20 sticks a day.
The
So 20 sticks a day.
sounded background of this simply the book, which involves sexual cases.
Mini sweetos na kasi. Guwapa ka. Guwapa, way katapat.
Cybersex.
My internet is having problem, guys.
New class. Was not that popular.
Oh, I see. I play a lot of beer pong.
Sa live.
But about DVD, PPL or TV. What do you mean PPL? I missed the question. I don't know. I'm having problem with my internet. You mean you play a lot of beer? Beer pong. What is beer pong? No, I'm having problem also with my Wi-Fi. Ah, I see. It's like a ping pong. I see. Yeah, I know ping pong. Where you from, my kid? Yeah, I had druggy friends we partied a lot. I moved out 17. Oh yeah. Why you move out? Oh, you're from Texas. So you have enough. Yeah, druggy friends not good. It will make you do. Well, it's up to you how you control yourself. Either you're gonna try or either you're gonna give up or just live or move out.
Was told that she was still active on social media, interested in sending a message on expectation. So I did this.
So we got high in the park a lot. So when you got high, did you see the spider? That's what it say. Even because I watch a movie and they say when you get high, you see the spider.
She was just a scapegoat. Towards me. I mean, she told me that she was actually crying. Asked me to think about it.
In drunk in the park capital. It's a good thing that nobody, take advantage of you if you get drunk. Yeah, I see the spider. Me, I never try those things. I only drink. I love party, like just drink, sing and dance. That's all.
But for the reasons, and speculative reasons,
Spider with it.
maybe this came to create business decided this is free. And she's got
Yeah. Sometimes if I drink, I would like to sing and dance. We Filipino, we like to sing and dance. Even though we are not good dancing and singing, we still like to do dance. That's our talent. Every time we have a celebration,
Let's face
we
it,
like to dance. It's like if we have a party,
I imagine that's what
the whole family, we are dancing, singing while drinking. This is how we enjoy our party. Yeah, I like to play dress up in the metro.
Like a office customers. They're selling phones. I'm selling phones.
Have you been here in the Philippines?
Someone
Cool, sounds nice. Yeah, especially if you are singing and dancing with your family, like it's a party. We usually like karaoke. Do you know karaoke? Huh? I mean, my question before, have you been here in the Philippines? Yeah. Oh, I see. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, I see. Yeah, we do karaoke. We do karaoke all the time. I did GAL in Luzon and Visayas. What do you GAL is the name? Sounds like life. Yeah. That's the life here in the Philippines. Filipino love to party with family. You know, every time we have party here, let's say birthday or fiesta or Christmas, we always have karaoke. Karaoke, like, singing and then dancing. Next stop is Mindanao to complete the cycle of LNV. So when you come in next, you're going to Mindanao. In honor of three main islands. Islands, what is that? Islands? Cool, cool, yeah. That's why that's why most of the time if they have Filipino going to abroad, like going to other country, when it's come to Christmas, they will come back to the Philippines to celebrate their Christmas with the family because they miss the party how we celebrate our Christmas. Karaoke with dancing. I need to date a Mindanao girl. Are you trying to see something? I'm from Mindanao. you know, Kenneth, a lot of Filipino from Mindanao. Mostly Filipina is from Mindanao. You can find a lot. I think it's easy for you to find a Filipino. I love holidays and resort to party, weddings, but yeah, I tried Luzon, Visayas already. You should try this time Mindanao. Maybe from Mindanao you will stop. Maybe from Mindanao you will stop. It's hard to get the red from Mindanao. I see. Yeah.
Becomes everything that drives and business changes. And that's where social platforms as are in general the great platform for criminals in general for performing crimes.
Mostly when we do karaoke here,
They can hide,
mostly
they can hide.
with the whole family. Because it's like if you have we have a party, our mother, our father gonna dance, auntie, uncle, like our siblings gonna dance as well. So that's why we really miss this kind of party. Every time we have party, we want to celebrate with our family. They call Mindanao is land of promise. Maybe something is promising there for me. And Antamis. Yeah, you should try this time, Ken. Maybe this is the right one for you. I listen to music. I listen to music all day. I sing music. to TV. Oh, I see. I usually, I usually listen to music before when I was selling, what do you call it? CD. Call it CD. It's like Carl Streets. No, Carl Street CD. Before, I was selling something like that. So that's why I used to listen the music. Tamis Jeep dito sana all. Yeah. Maybe this time when you come back, you can find Tamis. Tamis Jeep in Mindanao. I like to sing like Celine Dion, and Britney Spears, and some of the Whitney Houston. This kind of music I like. And the pause also. Because attracts. Something like that. Cool. Time for Davao Jua. Yeah. Visaya. From Davao, Visaya. It's nice. I never been to Davao, but this is nice place and clean, and it's very safe also to go there because President Duterte is from Davao. Hello, Kathy, Kisha. Yeah, I like to listen also the song. I like to sing also. What is this? Weightless. And the cause, I think who sing that. Weightless. Kisha Smile is a sweet song. I never heard this song, but I will try to search that later. I like to listen like sometimes I like to listen love song, and if I'm drinking I like to listen like rock song or disco song. I meant Kiki. Ah, I see. I listen to all. When I'm sometime when I will sing, I'm dancing. Especially if you are drinking already. Especially if you drank already. So I'm singing and then I'm dancing. My talent will come out if I'm drinking. If I'm not drinking, it's not gonna come out. It's hidden talent. Country, rap, metal, disco, classic, techno. Yeah, I like to listen that also. Sometimes I listen country song also. Lol. Yeah, my talent is hidden talent. It's just gonna come out if I'm drink. I'm street doctor. So when you drunk, what you do? You just gonna be quiet or you gonna be noisy. My father when he's drunk, he's so noisy, like he's talking non-stop until morning. That's how he's drunk. I got to chill with Jude. My father when he's drunk, he's non-stop talking. It's like he remember everything.
Tapos, balik na, na-approve na siya na yun ang nakapag-show na. Tapos sa next time, mag-show na siya. Sa mga
When I'm drunk, I tell rude truth. What you mean? What you mean rude truth? You mean you will be rude if you are drunk? Oh, I see. It's like no control. It's like when I tell you the secret, if you're drunk, it will come out. It's like I cannot tell you the secret then. I got pointy about facts.
She's always protesting nonsense. But her mother has spent 2 years fighting to get her in the
Liquid courage. What is liquid courage? I put it by the way. Thank you so much. Beer. That's what you usually drink beer. I drink beer too. Oh, that's what it's mean. I see. I love vodka. I don't know if I try vodka, but I think when you drink margarita, I think it has a vodka, right? But the vodka alone, I never drink. Only the margarita. Margarita or mojito. Mojitos. And then, wine. But I never drink tequila. No, I never drink tequila. Yeah, I drink beer too is nice. I drink beer also. It should be tequila. Oh, I see. Also, margarita is tequila. It's not vodka. I see. I thought is margarita is vodka. I love brandy. Since me, you usually drink hard liquor. We got the sea looks. See, I'm white. Factor. Factor. Same looks. What you mean same look? Ah, you see my teeth? You look nicer with my teeth. By the way, I need to hang the clothes. Well,
Very different. A funny meaning humorous. It's all really bad choice. But then his grin is sweaty.
what time it is right now in your time? Right here, it's 5:54. 5:54 p.m. I think it's AM right in your time.
Don't listen. It's really good.
If I go on a diet, I get skinny. 3:54 p.m. I guess. 3:54 p.m.
She was
So it's the same.
She spent most of the time in the house.
Yeah, I'm skinny.
She
I guess I don't eat a lot. I know
exercise.
I eat a lot, but I control.
She was very talkative, even when she was small. And when she was asked what job you wanted to go
It's night PM. Oh, I see. Yeah, it is because it's just opposite. I think the time there in the Philippines is just opposite.
When Stephen was 21, he was offered an exciting job abroad. A computer company promised to join his scheme if he left looking to pay them.
I couldn't say much because I felt that Stephen was very skilled, very intelligent, and could do an awful lot.
It's nice weather today. The breeze is so cool.
He was realistic. Grew up, he grew up next to his mother and my father. The best thing he had been on for a long time. I don't think Steve saw it. Around him. Stephen took up a new hobby. He joined the theater in Angeles City.
Yeah, I'm lost on time. I keep eating 1 hour or 30 minutes late. I don't want to sleep in this suit for 2 days. Why? It means you don't sleep? How can you handle without sleep? It's already 4:54. You didn't sleep yet.
Very white face and skin. It's a attracted to it.
What? I thought you still doing that? Me, I'm good girl. I don't do this. That will harmful me. Since you're working.
The new brothers was on trial for the British murder of the British husband Stephen. She
Lol.
she was innocent.
Hi, Dante. How are you?
All I can call is why.
You should stop doing that. That's not good. I'm broke. I can't work. Yeah, but if you are doing that things, it's gonna make you broke more
She flew to
because you need to buy that, right?
at the funeral. She thought his widow Evelyn was acting suspiciously.
Evelyn was silent as they left as we walked in. And She didn't get up. That white toast Stephen's coffee.
I got rheumatoid arthritis in the back.
She seemed upset. No.
Ah, I see. So you are PW? It's like you are not working.
That time
So the government is supporting you, I guess.
Is here.
Well, I'm on is a free check. Ah,
Because
lucky you. You don't need to worry. You don't need to work. You get support from the government.
And she said to me, have you seen Mike?
Yeah, I'm working on hiking. Yeah, that's good. If you're doing hiking, we like hiking too. Not hiking. I like picnic style. Yeah, nice stuff.
Ang space to be so
There were two men who had regular visits to her home. One was Edmund's mother. Margaret took things into her own hands. She was ready to return to the
I refuse to be old. OMG, I am old. I'm like 45. Or 44. What do you mean you are 45 or 44? I mean, how old are you?
she's crying.
45 is not that old.
This at my son's case to be so
Still young, you know.
Margaret's months later carried out 24 hours surveillance on her home. There were two men who had regular visits to her home. One was Edmund's mother. The other, his friend and then security guard. Margaret passed up to the police and couldn't remember the name.
I just forgot. So, are you married or single? So now I can't see my Insta. Busy to do the That's what happened if you don't want to remember your age. How old are you? If you want to be young all the time.
Friends of the accused knew after 2 months it was time to go home. But Margaret was ready to leave for the years without seeing the Stevens. His children
I'm single. Nice. You never been married?
Why did you decide that it was the right thing to take?
has not seen her children for 2 years.
Nope. I had a plan. When you live alone then. You live alone then.
She knows now, I know my kids, she knows now.
When you are 13, you had a fly.
Crucial evidence. He's Robin Brutus. Edwin Gray.
I promised her I would do anything I could to help her. She said thank you. I said I understand because we are both
See, yeah,
mothers.
no, they're fighting life's plan.
The family held the key to what happened to Stephen that night.
So you don't feel
This man
alone that
crucial evidence. He's Robin
it's
Brutus.
like you are 40 plus, right? You're 40 plus and still single, you don't get married.
Suspiciously
You
suspected.
don't feel alone.
When the police tried to question him, he went into hiding. His eyes knew where he was, and Margaret was slowly able to tell him. At last, the truth was out.
Probably that's what she was around 11 o'clock, and Edwin came and asked me to go I didn't know where we were going. I got you to the car, and then we headed down to the town.
Hey, what's Deadpool? 100 times. Deadpool, what is that? Is a series something?
The three members into the car went upstairs. Everyone's mother was remarkable. 2 shots, then 2 more. Sat in the car to act as lookout.
So you have 4 imaginary friends, so that's why you're not alone. Because you're watching this movie or series, it's Deadpool.
Warren's confession that Eleanor's life was covers perfectly. They are both serving life sentences. Robin was
Oh, I see.
returned without evidence. In February 2004, Evelyn was arrested and charged. Even though she didn't file a
So it's mean you live alone.
guilty of murder. The judge will decide if she planned Stephen's death with her life.
Or to lie.
There was strong evidence against her. The men had a key to get into the apartment. On the night of her murder, Evelyn had checked to see her. Yet a neighbor
No, I'm saying I can watch movies 100 times, unlike a normal person. I see a little. I see.
Carter City Jail is where prisoners are.
So you never travel anywhere.
Evelyn's been here for 7 months. The only visitor she's had is her father. The rest of her family is turned against her, and they have given evidence that they know her and her lover planned to murder Stephen Kenton. In 6 weeks' time, the judge will announce his verdict. The penalty for murder in the Philippines is a life sentence. Execution.
It's such a shame what has happened to her. But she was going to walk.
Like I just got Lisa Frankenstein and what's it 50 times a week. So that's only that's only what you're doing every day. You watching. What is the question? What's the question? Oh yeah, I said, did you try to travel outside, like other country? I mean, did you leave?
They have to.
Did you go anywhere?
With no family or friends to support her, the only person for Evelyn to talk to is her lawyer.
Oh no, I'm cheap. That would cost like 3,000. Yeah, yeah, if you travel, probably because the the plane ticket alone is gonna cost you more than 1,000, and then you need to pay the hotel and the food, transportation. Don't pay that much so you can live, so you're sync music to movies. So it's easy to watch a movie on Netflix. Oh, I see. But you do cooking. I mean, you do cooking. I mean, you can cook.
is for me.
Or you just sit? Are you in a wheelchair or something? Visa card. Ah, Coke, yeah. I mean, because you said you can't walk, so nope, normal. Ah, I see. So you can still do things in your house, but you cannot walk. Oh, I see. So you're not bored or something?
When you say that, it makes me feel myself. And maybe you and Philippines
I
and you'll spend the next 40 years
Like
in
me
China.
lang ang appreciate of the Jesus.
Usually not woman with a wasted life. You had everything. Steve called you his princess and loved you very much.
So you go to the church all the time then?
You are a very evil woman with no thought of the lives you have ruined. And I heard the sacrifice of your family was worth the short time you lived in Dora.
Yeah, you're busy.
You took my son, now I have yours, and your daughter. You someday will come and ask, why, Mummy? Why was you so bad and leave us and kill our daddy? I will enjoy your children because you have so many times.
Yeah,
Not
yeah.
think of you. I will never forgive you. or see
Right now
you
is
again.
right now your weather is it's cool, cold or hot. Your weather. Here in the Philippines is hot and nope, I'm always the gym. I'm always on TV. My music fits the ladies as my characters. I see. So you're a witch with power. So you do black magic. You do black magic. Hello everyone. Hi guys. Wow, 5 viewers out there. You guys, what you guys doing? Welcome to my live. Harap natin wala. Wait. On either side so they can bond me. Yes, I do. Hot magic. Matt, let's figure the music that fits for the movie and the world's real time around me is Combis.
Investigations recently discovered
That's great if you do math magic then. The music and movies frees me as it's like that's your stress reliever. Music and movie. And I said, I mean, that's your stress reliever. Music and movies. Make you feel relaxed. You watching or listening those musics or movies.
This indicates when we evaluate the impact that we have. So if that happens, that will be a pressure. We have a hard
Stress reliever. It's like it make you relax. This one. Almost. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, someone's watching. Yeah, it's about 5 minutes also. I'm going to end the live because we are going out. We're gonna buy food for dinner. You should sleep. It's already morning. Yeah, it's time to wake up. No need to sleep. It's time to wake up. Well, staying up is really really fun. It's when you see like. So you mean you didn't really sleep? Or you sleep but you wake up already? How come you didn't feel sleepy without sleeping? You've been up for two. You mean for 2 hours? Hello, TSG. How are you? Since 2 o'clock or 2 hours already? Being up for 3 days feels like you're walking to a tunnel. 2 days? Wow. Good day, not too bad. That's great. I want coffee. No, you should drink your coffee. It's time for coffee in your time. You should drink your coffee. Time for coffee. Lord. How you manage if you do this thing? I guess you used to it already. That's why. I don't know about this thing, so I cannot say. Anyway, guys, it's. I think I'm going now. We're going out. We're gonna buy for dinners. We're gonna buy food for dinners. Pizza. We eat pizza yesterday. Actually, that's my dinner. That's my dinner. That was my dinner. Pizza yesterday. You have to eat right. Oh, so if you eat right, then you can handle. Yeah, nice talking to you, Michael. Yeah, me too. I love pizza. Pizza and pasta. Thank you, Michael. So, what guys, I'm gonna end this live. I'm gonna try to do live later when we come back from outside. So, hope to see you later, guys. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Maybe I'll see you in 5 days a week. I'm gonna try to do live later after 2 hours. I will do live later. Yeah, thank you also. Thank you for coming to my live. And for those new guys, please don't forget to subscribe so that next time if I will do live again, you will be notified. Thanks guys and see you again later. Bye everyone.